Salt. It ain't just sodium chloride, folks. Let's talk salt, folks. That little white sprinkle you use every day. It's more than just a flavor enhancer. It's a mineral with a history as rich as perfectly seared food. Now, we're not talking about that heavily processed table salt. We're diving deep into the world of sea salt, the true king of the mineral world. So what's the big difference? Imagine this. Table salt is like that mass-produced food from a fast food chain. It gets the job done, but it lacks that certain something. Sea salt, on the other hand, is like gourmet food, crafted with care and bursting with natural flavors. Sea salt is minimally processed, which means it retains all the good stuff. We're talking about trace minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium. These minerals not only add complexity to the taste, but also offer a boost of nutrients. Think of it this way. Would you rather fuel your body with a processed patty or a naturally delicious and nutritious food? The choice, my friends, is clear. Sea salt is where it's at. Sea salt, as the name suggests, comes from the ocean. It's the product of seawater evaporation, leaving behind those beautiful, mineral-rich crystals. These crystals vary in color, from delicate white to a deep gray, depending on the origin and mineral content. Now let's compare that to table salt. Table salt is typically mined from underground deposits. It undergoes heavy processing to remove impurities and to standardize its texture. During this process, it loses most of its natural minerals. To make matters worse, anti-caking agents are often added to prevent clumping. But here's the thing about sea salt. It's naturally delicious. The subtle variations in mineral content give it a complex flavor profile that enhances the taste of any dish. Plus, it's a natural source of essential minerals, making it a healthier choice. So, the next time you reach for the salt shaker, consider this. Are you adding flavor or just sodium chloride? Choose sea salt and experience the difference. Salt's importance goes way back, folks. We're talking ancient civilizations, back when salt was a hot commodity. Why? Because it was essential for preserving food. Think about it. No refrigeration, no problem. Salt was the key to keeping food edible for long periods. But salt wasn't just a practical necessity, it was downright sacred. Ancient cultures recognized its power and incorporated it into their rituals and beliefs. The Egyptians, for example, used salt in their mummification process, believing it would ward off evil spirits and ensure the preservation of the soul. The Romans, those savvy traders, even used salt as currency. They paid their soldiers with salt, which is where we get the word salary. That's right, folks, you can thank salt for your paycheck. Salt's importance in ancient cultures highlights its enduring significance. It's a testament to its power, both practical and symbolic. So the next time you sprinkle salt on your food, remember its rich history and the reverence it inspired throughout the ages. Now let's get a little esoteric. Salt has long been associated with purification and protection. Think about it. Salt cleanses wounds, preserves food, and even purifies water. It's no wonder that many cultures believe in its spiritual cleansing properties as well. Ever heard of those little bowls of salt people keep in their homes? That's no accident. It's believed to absorb negative energy and protect the space from harm. Some folks even sprinkle salt around their doorways to keep unwanted spirits at bay. And then there's Celtic sea salt, the Rolls-Royce of the salt world. Harvested from the pristine waters off the coast of France, this salt is believed to possess extra-potent purifying properties. It's said to clear energy blockages, promote healing, and enhance spiritual awareness. So how can you incorporate the mystical power of salt into your own life? Easy. Add a pinch of sea salt to your bathwater for a purifying soak. Sprinkle some around your home to create a protective barrier, or simply carry a small pouch of salt with you for on-the-go protection. Remember, folks, salt is more than just a seasoning. It's a gift from the earth, imbued with the power of the sea and the wisdom of ancient traditions. So, the next time you reach for the salt, remember its mystical qualities and embrace its ability to enhance not just your food, but also your life.